Aloha, my Kaiko fellow adventurers. Welcome to Wayfare, Hawaii, where we embark on a journey to rediscover the magic of sailing, exploring the bounties of the Hawaiian Islands, and embrace a more sustainable way of life. I'm Captain Joseph. I'll be leading the way. This is not just a restoration project, it's a voyage into the heart of living in harmony with the sea and the land. Join me as we breathe new life into this 1968 chinchilla, weaving together the past and the present. So subscribe, join our crew, and let's sail on this extraordinary voyage together. Wayfare, Hawaii, where adventure meets sustainability.
What's up guys, welcome to another vlog. As you're new to the channel, thanks for watching, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for also watching. Today I got a really special project that's been on my to-do list for a long time, and it's building this A-frame to lower my wooden mast. So my boat has a wooden mast on a tabernacle, which is that metal base plate right there. So this mast can swing and pivot down. Originally the boat's made in the Netherlands, so it's made to go into bridges with low clearance. So I'm not going under any bridges. I'm just taking down the mast so I could sand it and epoxy it and then paint it so I don't have to varnish it anymore. So I know you guys are gonna say, no, just varnish it, it's such a beautiful mast, but I don't really feel like climbing up that thing every year and a half and varnishing it. So this is what we're gonna do today. I've got these materials right here, just two 2x4s, some heavy duty metal brackets, and basically these will bolt into this pivot point, which is designed to connect to an A-frame to lower the mast. So let's go ahead and get to work and try to see what we can come up with. Alright, so this is what I'm thinking about doing. Just I've got these heavy duty bolts right here. I'm gonna bolt these in to the board, and then I've got this hinge that will go to the top, and I've got these bolts right here. I think these are 1/4 inch, and we're gonna build an A-frame. All right, so I'm gonna drill out each one of these holes. Alright, so here we go. See, I've got the holes drilled. Let's go ahead and put some washers in here. Ideally, I wish these were lock nuts, but I think that's pretty sturdy. Should work really good. So let's go ahead and build the other one.
I came across these designs through some cruising forums, and they seem pretty sufficient. After a little bit of research, I think they'll work. Stay tuned for the next episode.
All right, now that we've got these all built, I'm gonna go ahead and drill the holes for the hinges and then try to get those screws all in place. So So if this works, I should be able to just put this hinge right in the middle, and I think the bolts will be strong enough with some lashing, and this will make a perfect A-frame to lower the mast on Ta'a. So let's go ahead and get the hinge in place and get hinging, baby. Woohoo! And I was hoping that the bolts don't protrude too much to where I'm able to actually bolt these together, but I think I might be lucky, so let's give it a try. Here comes the rain. Crap, I got it on backwards.
So tackling this mast has been a last final step in the restoration project of Ta'a, this 29-foot sailboat. I've got a few more things to do, like sealing up the water tank, fresh water tank, and replacing the gearbox, along with updating some electronics. But after that, she'll pretty much be ready to go and sail around the world. I could do some work on the teak, but if you guys are interested in buying a sailboat, I would suggest starting off with something a little smaller, then work your way up.
Yeah. So now I can tie up my head stay to this. I wish it was a little longer, but I should be able to use this to lower my mast.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I've got a Patreon if you guys want to support the channel. I've got some new content coming soon with lowering the mast, and I look forward to sharing it with you. Thanks for watching.